Hi, welcome to the new video. In this video, I am going to cover few more theories or models. Let's move on to the first theory related to conflict management. That is Thomas Kilmann conflict management theory. He recognized 5 conflict management techniques. Those are mapped between cooperativeness and assertiveness. They are avoidance, accommodation, collaboration, compromise, and then competing. And then the second theory related to conflict management by Mary Parker. She considered integration rather than competition for conflict management. Then let's move on to the team development model by Tuckman. In this, he recognized 5 stages. First one is forming stage, forming the team. Second one is storming stage. Those team members know each other and recognize the conflicts arise due to their mental models. Third stage is norming stage. They get to know the rules and regulation inside the team. And then the fourth stage is performing stage. In performing stage, they actually implement the solution or actually perform the action. And then in the last stage, the team is going to be adjourned. Because why team formation? Why the team formed is achieved. Let's move on to the next theory, that is Herzberg's 2-factor theory. First factor is hygiene factor, that is pay and then benefit. Benefit is health benefit and then pension benefit. And the second factor is motivation, that is achievement and then job satisfaction. Let's move on to the next theory related to training by Kirkpatrick. He considered 4 levels to test the training given by the organization. First level is reaction. What is the response? Is it good? Is it bad? And then in the next level, level 2, learning, knowledge or not. And then the change in the behavior means change in the behavior according to the learning from training. And in the 4th level, results, checking the performance by giving tests or exam. And then let's move on to the next theory, that is related to increment model by Lindblom. He considered small changes, small iteration over the period of time rather than comprehensive changes. Let's move on to the next theory related to marketing management. There are 4P model and then CRM for long-term customer relationship, and then the 4P method. The 4P, first P is place, where the product is going to be sold, and then how this supply chain is going to be done. And then the second P is product. What are the features of the product and its demonstration. The third P is price. It's going to be done by comparing with other competitor products. What is their price range and all. The 4th P is promotion. Promoting the product through ads or influences. Let's move on to the next theory related to Production management. In production management, three things are very important. They are quality, cost, and then the price. In this, two models are there. One is just-in-time, JIT. This reduces inventory and minimizes the waste. And the next model is Six Sigma model. In this there are many factors. One is defining the problem, and then the second one is measure, quantifying the problem, and then the third one is analyzing the causes of the problem. Fourth one is improve by implementing the solution. Fifth one is control, that is implementing the changes if any. Let's move on to the next model, that is Levin's change management model. In this, three things are considered by Levin. One is unfreeze, second one is change, third one is refreeze. In unfreeze, we have to prep for change, and in the change we have to implement the whatever the solution we have, and in the rephrase we have to stabilize the model. Let's move on to the next model, that is PDCA cycle by Edward Deming. P denotes plan, means recognizing problems and the solution, and D denotes do, means implementing the solution. C denotes check the results by implementing the solution, and then the A denotes act, means standardize the model of the implemented solution. Let's move on to the next model by Luther Gulick. It is related to organization development. It is POST-CORP. P is planning, O is organizing, S is staffing, D is directing, C is coordinating, R is reporting, P is budgeting. These topics in this POST-CORP is important for the development of organization. Let's move on to the three theories. First one is Woodrow Wilson theory of public administration. He proposed politics and administration dichotomy, that is separating policy making from execution. And the second one is Max Weber bureaucracy theory. He considered bureaucracy is very important for bringing rationality and efficiency into the system. Dwight Waldo's value administration theory. He considered human values and public needs are responsible for value administration.